Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 12th of April. Beautiful weather today. We'll stay in good shape through Thursday, but storms will likely return before the week is over. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Trussville. Looking down Chalkville Mountain Road, off in the distance, Bald Rock Mountain, and the sky perfectly sunny. Same view there from Jasper. That's from the top of the King Building. And from Demopolis, the old Tombigbee River, rolling down toward the Gulf of Mexico. The sky is sunny on a gorgeous spring afternoon. Trough axis as well to the east of here. Got low clouds wrapping around that feature through parts of Georgia, but again, for Alabama, we're pretty much in good shape. Looks like there could be some clouds near the Georgia border, but most everybody in bright sunshine. Temperature is mostly low 70s. Birmingham 71 at 2 o'clock. The actual numbers range from 69 at Haleyville to 75 in Montgomery. Around the nation, you see that tongue of warmer air coming up through the plain states, but pretty chilly up in the northeast. They're sitting in the 40s and 50s up there this afternoon. There's our watch warning map. Still some wind advisories east of here, but generally speaking, the weather across the country for now is pretty quiet. On the convective outlooks for the rest of today, got a slight risk on the middle Atlantic coast. Day 3, this is Thursday. Slight risk of severe weather. That's the standard risk from near Shreveport up to Kansas City. That would include Little Rock and Tulsa and Wichita. And on day 4, which is Friday, that's a slight risk. I say slight, it's the standard risk for most all of Alabama and parts of Mississippi and Tennessee. And we'll see how that plays out. There's the QPF chart. This is the expected rain around the nation, good through the weekend, at least through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And this is suggesting 1.5 inches around the shoals. Amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches for much of North Alabama, lighter amounts down south. And, of course, all of this would be with the event Friday or Friday night. And we'll take a look at that as we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And we have the trough lifting to the northeast, and we are dry as a bone. Again, should be a gorgeous day. Lots of sunshine. The high should be in the mid-70s. Take a look at Thursday. Again, mostly sunny weather on Thursday. We'll be close to 80. But Friday, look at that. Upper low near Kansas City. And down below that, it's a stacked low, so the surface low is directly underneath that thing. And we got a trailing front, and each model run looks a little slower. It might be a Friday night kind of thing if this holds up. Again, the main convection is still off to the west. We'll go to just after midnight Friday night, and the storms are sweeping through here. So, again, for everybody out at Talladega, and many people do watch this that have great interest in race weekend weather, during the day Friday, just maybe you'll get away with a mostly dry day with the storms blowing in here Friday night in East Alabama. Severe weather potential, let's take a look. This is the instability at 7 o'clock Friday evening. And again, notice the instability axis is still well to the west of here Friday evening at 7 through much of Mississippi and West Alabama. And again, the numbers are not overwhelming. They're over 1,500 joules, or over 1,000 joules, 1,500 in spots. Here's the energy helicity index for Friday evening at 7. Numbers are pretty high, especially over South Mississippi and then up into northwest Alabama. So with numbers like that, there could be some severe weather. The primary mode probably from strong straight-line winds, much like the deal last night. But again, we'll fine-tune that as it gets closer. All right, Saturday starting off the weekend, we are cooler and drier. The GFS is showing a high of 69 for Birmingham, and there could be some wraparound cloud. That's a tricky situation there. A lot of times where that surface and upper air low is located, we could see clouds lingering into part of the day Saturday. For now, we'll just say clearing, breezy, and cooler with upper 60s, and Sunday should be a cloudless day. Gorgeous for the big race at Talladega. We'll start the day down in the low 40s, wind up in the low to mid-70s, just perfect with low humidity. And then Monday of next week, latest run looks drier. We've seen runs that kind of showed some showers coming in here, but no doubt the Gulf begins to open up. And then Tuesday of next week, the bulk of the rain is still off to the west and north. In the middle of next week on Wednesday, pretty good-looking trough now showing up. And if that's right, that would be pretty wet and maybe stormy on Wednesday the 20th, a week from tomorrow. We'll see. Check the end of the forecast, April 28th. Man, we are getting deep into the season here. Trough over the east, and that looks like it could be cool and relatively dry if that happens to work out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.